Twist for 1 finger small bubbles. Lock the last 3 bubbles together. Push the first bubble through the center. Twist another set of 4 small bubbles. Lock the last 3 together again. Make a total of 5 sets. Wrap the nozzle of the very first bubble around the last bubble once, then tie it off. If anything feels loose, use the excess balloon tail to wrap a couple of times for extra security. Your snowflake is done.